Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to enhance your audio in Audacity. So first of all, open Audacity. Click OK and then drag and drop your audio into the Audacity timeline. So first of all, zoom in into the audio and then select all of your audio by pressing Ctrl plus A. Then go to the Effects, EQ and Filters. Go to the Filter Curve EQ. Go to the Preset and Setting, Factory Presets, and then select Bass Boost and click Apply. So now you can see the Bass Boost is added into your audio.
So here are 20 lessons I've learned in my 20 years in real estate.
But I think there is some noise, so for removing that noise, we have to select that part where we can see a noise wave, for example there. Then go to the Effect, go to the Noise Removal and Repair, select Noise Reduction, select Get Noise Profile, and press Ctrl plus A, select all of your audio, go to the Effect, select Noise Removal and Repair again, and go to the Noise Reduction and click OK. So you can see the noise is also removed from your audio.
Overly in love with the property. The same thing if you were selling.
But we have to enhance it more. Press Ctrl plus A, go to the Effect, go to the Volume and Compression, select Compressor, click Apply.
So here are 20 lessons I've learned in my 20 years in real estate.
So now it looks much better. But we have one more step remaining to make it sound like a more professional audio. So select all of your audio, go to the Effect, go to the Volume and Compression, select Normalize and click Apply. So now you can see the audio is perfectly enhanced. I will show you.
So here are 20 lessons I've learned in my 20 years in real estate. Real estate is a highly emotional transaction and you almost...
So this is how you can enhance your audio in Audacity in just few steps. Thank you for watching.